National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Cicero, Bolingbrook, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Downers Grove, Woodridge, Burbank, Palmer Glen, Alsip, Brookfield, Palos Hills, Hinsdale, Lamont, LaGrange, Justice, Summit, Burr Ridge, Oakbrook, and Westmont. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. This is NOAA Weather Radio.